Hey guys, Smiles and Talls here. We are at High Falls State Park in Jackson, Georgia. Let's hit the trail!
I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. We are down here at High Falls State Park here in Jackson, Georgia. We're finally all back together. We've had the kids a little bit divided up through the holiday, and we are back together now. So let's do this trail, guys. Alright guys, here we are again. Another warning of death or serious injuries. This is back-to-back trails. So you guys be careful out here. Alright, let's get hiking. Okay.
Hey guys, check out this waterfall! Woo!
Okay guys, so this is a very easy, accessible waterfall for everybody. There are stairs to get down here to the bottom, but you have a beautiful waterfall coming off of the lake to begin, where the dam is, and then it comes down the river here to the bottom. It's very, very short. Guys, so this is back-to-back High Falls videos we have done. Last weekend we were at High Falls in North Carolina, just outside of Franklin. Spectacular waterfall that was. We'll put a link to that one right up here. And this one we're here in Jackson, Georgia. Definitely a lot different trail than we had last time, but as you can see, there are still a whole bunch of rocks. All right guys, let's get hiking. There he goes, folks. After I told him do not slide down it, he's gonna try. He's gonna crab walk it. and then slide down it. All right guys, so check this out. This is beautiful through here. You can see right there, the top, that is the bridge. That's where you drive in here. So the hike down is very minimal. Just be safe. Alright guys, it sure is nice to have all these kids back together. They all seem to be very excited, having a great time. Nice. Are you gonna eat it? Yes. Hi, Snack Pack.
Hi.
How do you like the trail?
Good.
What's your favorite part so far?
Hiking with Mommy.
Yeah?
Yeah. And I like the, and then I found these.
Oh, what do you have?
I have seashells and a rock.
Oh.
Seashell.
Very cool. All right, let's get hiking.
Okay.
Alright guys, we have made it to the end of the trail, and it's very pretty out here, very peaceful. This is a weird trail because the main attraction is at the very beginning of the trail. So now we're heading back to the water, check out these beautiful rapids here, then we'll be back to the waterfalls. Alright guys, let's keep hiking. Guys, we have made it back here to the waterfall. Absolutely beautiful. We're up here on this rock. You can see the entire thing here. As you can see, this is gorgeous through here. Definitely worth coming here. We're only about a quarter mile off the road at the most. Absolutely beautiful. And then right there on the other side of that bridge is the dam with another gigantic waterfall coming off of that. All right guys, we're gonna head back over there and see if there's any other trails. All right guys, let's keep hiking. Alright guys, we are heading here across the bridge. This is the main road you drive in. You get to the other side of the river this way. As you can see behind me, there's the dam. It's absolutely beautiful through here. We're gonna have a nice little overlook over here. Definitely come out here and check this place out. Alright guys, we are on the other side of the bridge here. You can see straight ahead where all those cars are. That's where we park. and you can literally see this waterfall from the road. If you haven't been here, definitely come by and check it out. Even if you don't want to hike, it's worth it. All right, guys, down there is where we came from. You can see those 2 hammocks right down there. We walked right through there. And then if you see past the hammocks on those rocks, I don't know if you see those guys down there, but that's where the trail goes down there. Absolutely beautiful here. Come check it out. Another beautiful state park of the state of Georgia. All right, guys, let's keep hiking.
Hey guys, we just finished up at High Falls State Park. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
SMP, peace out.